teman ya di kamsai jai mong.
Teman ko pa miya meh. Yang hana hab mudu ya u MLA sungji.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino meh mga. Abang alim ta la post nyang buat show.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Yes, myself, my name is Paul Moirangthem. I'm from West Karo Hills, Meghalaya. I'm an entrepreneur, so I settled down in Meghalaya since 1991. So with my family and all here. So I started my entrepreneurship since then. So recently 2021 there was one EO set up from the Farmers Commission regarding the biofertilizer unit in Meghalaya. So I was one of the candidate, and then I was selected from there. So after that I went training there in the Upper Shillong, biological SBM, and then again there in the Umiam Central Agriculture. So from the agriculture fund, I got some loan. From the loan only, I started this biofertilizer unit at the Southwest Karo Hills. That is called under the Rirapara block. So I have the unit over there. I have my unit over there, and this is a microbes. This one mother culture I took from the Central Agriculture University. From there I took, and my duty is to multiply it. The mother culture is produce. No chemical. This is organic. We use this biofertilizer instead of using the urea and synthetic fertilizer. So this is the harmless for the human consumption. But that's why government of India and the government of Meghalaya also want to set up this unit with that aim in the Meghalaya. With that aim, I started already there in the Southwest Karo Hills.
Do you have an organic certification for this?
Oh, certificate. This is my duty is only to produce it. It is the mother culture is strain is from the Central University. My duty is only to multiply it. I have the fermenter, 5 liters capacity, 50 liters capacity, and the 500 liters capacity. So that and packaging I'm just selling. And for the we have this one quality control. Every batch we used to see through the microscope how many fields are there. So in the field only, we came to know that this one is the microbes are present in the my product.
What is the response of the farmers who are using your product?
Right now, the farmers are not aware of this. We need to do mass campaign for this product, because if we use the synthetic or the chemical fertilizer, it is harmful for the human being, as well as this destroy the soil also. So in place of this synthetic and the chemical fertilizer, this is a substitute, and this will help the yield growth also. So this is the another instead of the synthetic or the chemical fertilizer, we can use it, and then we'll have the more yield also, production also.
Now, that is from the farmer's part.
Yes.
Now, about your part as
Yes.
an entrepreneur,
Yes,
what benefit does this meat, the reverse buyer-seller meat,
yes.
give you in particular?
Right. Yes, you are right. Right now, I'm trying to advertise. I'm trying to educate the people that we in the Meghalaya also we have already started this liquid fertilizer on product, so that those people who want to say those people who doesn't want to take the chemical fertilizer, and so they can use it instead of using the chemical fertilizer.
Can you tell us about today's meat, today and tomorrow?
Yes.
You have this reverse buyer-seller meat. Can you tell us what benefit is it to you?
Yeah, my benefit will be like it's a kind of advertisement that, and then it will be recognition to the people will know about the we have the bio fertilizer. That is the, and if suppose if the buyers from outside this from the abroad, if they are interested my product, then we will have the negotiation whether if they want to buy this product from me, then we will go further. Till now, I'm not getting the right buyer, so I think buyer will come, and we are still having time, 2 days time.